Hi, this is Silas with DC Digital, introducing the new and improved network counter. What we got in front of you is on the left, we've got a physical display, and on the right, we've got the web page being hosted by that display. First, I'll show you the functionality of the display itself. So we've got a bunch of buttons on here that allows you to increment, decrement, set, and you'll see if you wait for this, it'll increase its speed of incrementing, and reset to 0. And all of these changes, if you watch, are represented on the web page. What we have here is the home page. It is just a controlless dashboard. You would use this if you wanted to give your employees something to look at, but not something to touch. Now, if you wanted to touch it, we have the controls, and this is locked behind a password wall. From the controls, you can increment it, decrement it, and reset it to 0, just like the main display. But you can also type in a value and set it directly to that. Type in a value and add to your account, or subtract from your account. Here we go, we'll reset it again. And into your network settings. This is where you set the password for both the network page and the controls page. That way you don't have to leave them as defaults. Below that, we have the device name and Ethernet settings related to that. This is where you can set up your basic network settings. If you wish to automatically obtain IP, just leave it at DHCP, but if you want to set it to be a specific address, you can set it to that as well. And below is currently what the settings are set to. To show off some of our extra features, we'll come back to the device name. You can change this name to be whatever you want. So we're going to say, and this is a test. Call this test, change the configuration. And if you see at the home page, at the top here, the name has changed to what I've changed it to. If you come back to the home page, you can see that the name has changed to test. And it has changed the MDNS address to that as well. So if I want to address it now, I can now type in test.local, and it will use MDNS to address it. This makes it a lot easier to set up your devices and to find them later on once you've got their initial setup done. And that's about it for our new network counter. Thanks for watching.